All right, here we go. Monday morning. It's a new day, new week, new month. We're ready to go. Here's what you need to know for the next couple days. We've got a slew of central bankers speaking this week. We've got a Bank of England meeting on Thursday. Fed Chairman Powell speaking today, speaking again later in the week. Bank of Australia is meeting this week. Seeing the dollar bounce heading into the open this morning. So dollar trading higher, basket of currencies trading lower, up above 109 in the dollar yen. Are seeing some light trading, however, especially in Asia, as China, Japan have a bank holiday today. So it's been a little lighter than normal. Equity markets, well, we're still in earnings season. A lot of earnings again this week, just like last week. Seeing stock market trade higher in a big way this morning. Dow Jones up over 200 points. That's a 0.6% move higher. So another potentially volatile week with equities as we get some more earnings reports out. Now, finally, the Nadex virtual boot camp taking place tomorrow. Today's your last day. Let's get signed up. Again, all-day boot camp, free. We're going to focus on trading commodities, focus on trading precious metals. It's going to be a good time. Make yourself a better trader. Don't forget those goals we set for ourselves back in January. Let's stick to it. Let's get in there. Let's get after it this week. Let's have a good one. I'll check it with everybody again tomorrow. Bye-bye.